I'm Shari. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a quick unboxing. Just a lot going on right now, so I don't really have time to do a try on. But I will be doing that hopefully in my next video. I just wanted to share what I got. I ended up getting 2 regular base boxes. I got my regular Boxycharm, the second Boxycharm, just the regular one, because for some reason I couldn't get my premium. Had issues. By the time they charged me, they charge you after midnight, you know, for the premium. And I didn't realize that, so 8 o'clock the next morning I called my bank, and yeah, the charges didn't go through. I had issues with that, so I emailed Boxycharm. First they told me that to wait for 24 hours and to take my card off and add it back on, which I did, and it still just didn't pick up. I talked to another person from Boxycharm through email. They said they don't charge a second time, so they do the one and done and that's it. And if you have an issue, then that's your problem, I guess. Which I didn't think that was right. You know, they should work with you, like, in case issues like this come up. I mean, it wasn't my fault that they charged me so dang early. I don't know, whatever. I didn't get it anyway, so I ended up ordering another regular box. So I have 2 boxes. So I got 2 boxes. This is my box. I'm not very happy with my box this month. Is breaking the ice. First product I have on here is the Pretty Vulgar. Glad I got this. I did try it out. It's pretty good. I like it, but the shade, more the shade of my face than it is for highlighting. Wish it was a little bit lighter so I could highlight with it. I'll most likely use it for spot concealing or for my face. But yeah, I'm glad I got that. $25. Undercover Concealer is a lightweight gel serum concealer formulated to be hydrating, buildable, and provide medium coverage with a natural, flawless finish. Infused with vitamin E, galactorabinin to keep skin moisturized. It's a moisturizing concealer, pretty much. The next product I got, the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. This eyeshadow palette features 12 colors that are reminiscent of the beautiful sunrises and sunsets. It's a very beautiful palette. I'll show you. Look at the colors. I think it's really pretty, hey? So I'm feeling this. Most likely I will play with it in my next video. I'm glad I got this. $34.99 for that. The next thing I have on here is this Wonder Beauty Chip for 2 Blush and Bronzer Duo. And see the shade though? Does that not look light to you? For me, it looks pretty light. It's darker than my skin, but I mean, it's gonna be a light bronzer. I like the blush. The blush is really pretty. Looking forward to that though. $36. The next thing I got is this Avant. Is it Avant or Avant? I'm not sure. A-V-A-N-T. Skin 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask. And I did use this and I did like it. But I don't understand the price tag. But the price tag on this, $107. 1.69 fluid ounces. 50 ml or whatever. Let's see. This 8-hour Radiance Renewal Sleeping Mask works to reveal more youthful and beautiful skin overnight. It also helps to tighten the skin and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. The last product I got is the Mana Kadar Beauty Lip Whip. That lip color that is whipped to perfection, easy to apply, formulated with long-lasting pigments that don't dry out your lips. $21 for this. I'll add everything up and I'll put it on a screen somewhere here. And I was so excited to get my box this month because I thought I would get the eye cream. It's like, send me a dang on email, you know, make it a little easier for me so I don't have to just like, oh, every day, oh, Boxycharm choice is this date. I gotta mark it on my calendar. I just don't think that's cool. I think they should email us. I don't know, whatever. The second box I got was more excited about than the first box, even though I got this same palette, same blush palette, same skincare, same lip, and I did get a highlighter, which I am super excited about because I just think the packaging is so cute. $36. One-of-a-kind highlighter is infused with real crushed diamond powder and light reflecting pearls for brilliant fancy pink diamond glow that will have you on a planet shimmer. Light up your complexion with pure pink radiance in a silky powder formulated by swirling the dual tone opalescent shades together to create an ethereal custom glow all its own. Each highlighter is created with our unique marble pouring technology, ensuring no two highlighters will ever look the same, just like a real diamond. I think that's pretty cool. $36 for this, and the packaging is super cute. Oh, it comes in this little box, cutest little box. Marry me. It says it's your time to shine. It's your time to shine. There's this little box within a box, and it says Canary Diamond on the bottom, and toothpaste. Cute little button thingy right there. And then you open it up, and there's your highlighter. And inside there it says toothpaste. Cutest little highlighter. We'll throw some of that on since I'm not wearing makeup or anything, but I mean, hey, why not throw some highlighter on my face? I love highlighter. I love glowing. You don't have to have makeup on to put highlighter on, that's for sure. That is for sure. Ooh, we like it. So of course that's a keeper. And then the reason I did get this box, to be honest, is because I wanted to get that eye cream so bad. So I ordered this box, and I put on it that I was just simply only interested in skincare and not the makeup. And I still didn't get the eye cream. But I think the eye cream, no, it's for the base box because I got the choice. Of course, I didn't see the choice until it was too late. These are my two boxes. And in that old eye cream, you know, the Pharmacy Beauty eye cream, I went and bought it. I was like so upset about not getting my premium that I went on and bought it. That cherry eye cream that's in some of the boxes. It's this eye cream that I was talking about. And it's the Brightening Vitamin C eye cream with, I can't even see that, but it's from Pharmacy Beauty. So the day after we got charged, the day after I missed my premium, I went ahead and I went and bought this. I've been using this eye cream the last 2 nights, and look at my eyes. I don't know if this is from the eye cream or what, but my eyes are so red and they feel so like inflamed. And anyway, yeah, those are my boxes. I just wanted to come on and share real quick. I hope you guys have a blessed rest of your day. I hope to see you soon, and hopefully I can play with that palette next video. And yeah, have a good one. Thank you for watching. Bye.